Okay, okay. Once again, I welcome you this lecture series, electric power quality series. So, because these online classes are recorded, so that's why I once again said that. So now see this today class we are see the fundamentals of the harmonics. What is harmonics? You know that what is harmonic? Then what are the different types of harmonics present in the system? How these harmonics are produced in the system? What are the reasons behind that harmonics? All the things we are going to discuss. Okay. Now see this fundamental. You know that what is harmonics? That harmonics are we can treat it in different ways. Some telecommunication equipments and some music systems and other things. Now we can see the harmonics in electrical system way. So it may be a voltage or current. So that is of multiple of the. So it may be a voltage of current that is of multiple of fundamental frequency. You know that what is that fundamental frequency? You know that fundamental frequency. You know that frequency. F is equal to the 50 Hz is our fundamental frequency. It's multiple. 2 into 50 or 3 into 50 Hz and so on. You can treat it as a some harmonics in the system. What are the main reason behind the production of the harmonics in the system is non-linear loads. What are the non-linears? One of the non-linear loads is power electronic devices. Then discharge lightning, some lightning equipment, then saturated magnetic devices. This will all comes under the non-linear. It's nothing but what is non-linear is they draw the current. So from the supply is a not the linear. So that's why they can treat it as a non-linear. So this is the linear waveform they can run. So this is the non-linear. So this is the non-linear. Non-linear they can run. Non-linear is in the system. Okay. Okay. Now come to this. So then what is the one good assumption here? What is the one good assumption here? What is the one good assumption? So we can consider any power industry, they can supply the voltages to the generating station. They can supply the voltage that is generated by the generating station. They supply the voltage to the loads at a sinusoidal. Remember, any generating station, they can supply the voltages, okay, to the load side a sinusoidal. But because of the non-linearities present in the system or power system, okay, because of the different loads in the power system, so the currents that is drawn by the other equipments may change. So that will leads to the harmonics in the system. Okay, you know that if in our India plus or minus 5% change is acceptable. In USA, only 1% distortion, voltage distortion is acceptable, but in India, plus or minus nearly 5% voltage distortion is acceptable. Okay, now what is this? Because of this power electronic converters, this network power electronic devices, they can draw the current and arbitrary waves. Okay, so not only that, there are some few cases to produce this harmonics in the system. So this production of that voltage distortions are some random. There are most periodic and integer multiple of the power system fundamental frequency. The voltage distortions, remember, whenever that voltage distortions, those are some cases are random. So most of them are periodic and some of them are integer multiple of the power system fundamental frequencies. Those are leads to the harmonics in the system. Okay, now see this point carefully. So this current waveform that is drawn by the load is nearly some cycles to cycle after the cycle is nothing but we can see this waveform. So see this cycle after the cycle that is done by this one, a normal one. But then what is the non-linear loads is like this, is like this, is like this. You can draw the wave like this, wave by wave. cycle by cycle like this. What will happen? So this is changing, this is injecting into the line slowly. So this will raise to the widespread use of the harmonics into the system. Widespread of the harmonics into the system. You know that. So what is the total? So this is, for example, this is the voltage. This is the current. You know, then you can see this. What is the total power here? This is will be distorted. Will be distorted. So why you can so this is the voltage distortion, this is the current distortion, this is the power distortion. So many things are there. But why you can only call the harmonic? See these current waves. Remember these current waves. I can take the one another graph. See this current waves. Now see this. This is the source Vs. You can treat it as Vs. This is the some substation or a feeder. This is impedance Z. This is the load, non-linear load. You can assume it as a non-linear load. That symbol is like this. Non-linear load. The symbol is like this. Non-linear load. Non-linear load. The symbol is like this. So you can draw the current is in different forms. So like you can draw the current is like this. You can draw the current is like this. But it supply the voltage is like this. Time t. This is time t. What is the total power here? What is the total power here? Because you can sum up this one Vi. What is the power here? You will get the some distorted like this. Right. So because of this current, the voltage is also distorted. Voltage is also distorted. So you can remember I used the term voltage distortion. This voltage distortion will leads to the harmonics. Why can't we cannot say it? You know that we have one topic in power quality, voltage distortion also. Then what is the difference between these two? Some voltage distortion, then current distortion. Then what is the difference between transients and what is the difference between harmonics? We can we are thoroughly discussing today. So what is the difference between this voltage distortion and harmonics? You can see this harmonics. You see this? What is harmonics? What is harmonics here? A frequency. What is the frequency is here? 50 hertz with the fundamental. Beyond this, 2 into 50 hertz and so on. You can treat it as a harmonics. Harmonics. Now see this in our voltage waveform, or in voltage distortion, in 1 second is equal to the 50 cycles. It is not changing. But what it changes, the magnitude, the shape is changes. But here harmonics in 1 second, it may produces 100 cycles, or it may produces some 70 cycles, or it may produces some 200 cycles, and so on. Yes, in 1 second. 1 second. But in 1 second it is a voltage distortion. The only wave shape is changes here. How many cycles? The number of cycles that produced in the 1 second is changes. That we can call it as a harmonics. Okay, this is the voltage distortion. So I'm not sure. I'm not so this waveforms is also disturbed. The shape is also not the sinusoid disturbed because of non-linearities. I'm not guaranteed that the shape is like this. Okay, so this is the harmonics. Then what is voltage sag? What is voltage sag? What is the difference between this harmonics and voltage sag? Voltage. So this is the, it only changes the magnitude value, but number of cycles are 50. What is voltage cell? That is also 50. All other. But here the harmonics, you can see the fun, it is the integer multiples. Some 2 into or 3 into or some 4 into and so on for 1 second. That will leads to the harmonics. Okay. Okay. Now see this. What is some harmonic distortion? This harmonic distortion. See this a distortion in the sense. So see. So I can call. Once again, I erase all the things. I can call this as the harmonic. Some 2 into 50 hertz I can try here. This is also the harmonic. A sinusoidal. Sinusoidal harmonic. Here I can draw a distorted harmonics. Okay, this a distorted harmonic. This is a distorted harmonics because of the nonlinearities present in the system. This is also the, I can call this as the a sinusoidal. This is the a distorted. Nothing but the wave shape. We can see the what is the difference. What we can we are going to identify here. The wave shape. Now see this wave shape. Distorted voltages are current. Voltages are current. The wave shape is different. So distorted here. Can you use the term distort means here. You can see this. The wave shape are different. And so how this harmonics are produced in the system because of the non-linear devices. You see this. What are the non-linear devices? The power electron. Most of the non-linear devices are power electronic based devices. Everywhere, every house where we are using this power electronic devices. It's nothing but our cell phone, our laptops, are nothing but washing machines or some TVs, some dishes, set-up box, some Wi-Fi devices, Wi-Fi routers. So most of the devices and automatic devices, most of the devices, some is nothing but electric cookers, is nothing but automatic electric cookers, or some. So most of the electrical devices we are using this non-linear devices is nothing but the power alternative. The draw the current from the line is like this. What we supply? We supply the wave is like this. This wave. What is this devices? Here in this example, they can consider non-linear resistors. Instead of non-linear resistor, you can assume it as some non-linear device also. This is non-linear device. You can assume. So the voltage you are supplying here, but the current that is with respect to the time. Remember, with respect to the time, the current that is drawn by the devices is like this. And what is the total power? Then total power is also changes. Okay. So this may leads to the. This may leads to the. Okay. Some harmonics into the system. Here this word. This see this some definition. This harmonic distortion is caused by nonlinear devices in the power system. Okay, a non-linear device is one which the current is not proportional to the applied voltage. The non-linear device that is drawn by the current from the system that is not proportional to the voltage. You can observe this. You can see these two waveforms. This is the pure sinusoidal. This is the distorted wave. You can see this. You can see this waveform, the wave shape. This is the sinusoidal wave shape. This is the distorted. That is changed. It is look like some triangle. This is a sharp edge is there. This is the current drawn by the power electronic device. So these are not the proportional. So in power system, nothing but the voltage is also sinusoidal. Okay, the current is also the sinusoidal. But here, whenever you are using non-sinusoidal devices, is nothing but the power electronic based devices or non-linear devices. So this current wave is, what is that current wave? That current wave is, so is a distorted. Is a distorted wave. Is like wave, distorted wave. So this is not the proportional. So they are not the equal. So what will happen here? So this because of this, an harmonics is produced. So now see this point, this second point. What is that here in this case? The applied voltage is the sinusoidal. This is the sinusoidal. Sinusoidal. This is the. But the current that is drawn by the load is this is. What will happen here? So because of this, the voltage increases. Okay, because of this increase of the voltage in few percent, that may causes the current double the take the different wave shapes. So this is also some sources of the harmonic distortion in the power system. For suppose if you change the voltage level, you change the voltage level in few percent in the power system. So we are already using the some power electronic devices that will leads to the a more amount of production of the harmonic distortions in the power system. So now see the one example, one another example, harmonic distortion case. Okay, so see this, this is the wave, distorted wave, a voltage wave, a current wave, a distorted wave. So by using the, so now see this 60 edges means here, this is not the Indian. So for suppose this is the India, you can treat it as a 50 edges. This is the 100 edges. Okay, multiples of integer multiples. So multiple of 1, multiple of 3, multiple of odd multiples. Now see this is the odd multiples of the frequencies. Whenever, so when we can consider this odd multiples in the Fourier series representation, you can consider the odd multiples of here. So you can consider the even multiples also, not an issue. So now see this, any periodic distorted waveform can be expressed as a sum of the sinusoids. Now see, so this can be clearly expressed in Fourier series expansion. Now see, this is the wave. Now can convert this wave into this Fourier series expansion. This is the fundamental frequency. Remember, this is the fundamental. Remember, this waveform clearly shows that this is the fundamental. It has only the here you can see this. You can I can cancel. This is the 180 edges at 300. This is the US system. Now you can see the in our Indian system. Okay, 50 into this integer values. 50 into this integer values. So 100. So 500. Sorry, this is 3, nothing but 150. This is 150. This is 5 means 250. Okay, so and so on. This is okay. This is 11 means here 550 edges. You can see this frequency ranges. So this is a fundamental here. You can treat it as a fundamental frequency. 50 edges. H is equal to 1. 1 into 50. Fundamental. 2 into 50 harmonic. So how this, because of the nonlinearities, will leads to the, this nonlinear current will increases the voltages, will increase the double the harmonic current in this. Now see this, for this range, you can see this. This is the normal. You can see this time for this time. This is time. You can see this in this period. We can see this in this period. You can see this in this period. So see, this is a fundamental. You get the waveform is like this, but you see this waveform. How many waves will get get in this time? For suppose you can assume it as 1 second time. You can assume it as 1 second time. How many waves will get the 1 second time in odd harmonic system? In odd harmonics, so frequency is nothing but 1 into 50, or 2 into 50, or 3 into 50, or 4 into 50. You can consider here odd harmonics: 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13, and so on. You can assume. You can see this. You can see this case. You can see this case. For 1 second, you can assume it as an odd harmonic. 3 into 50, nothing but 50 cycles. 150 cycles in 1 second. But what power system is 1? 50 cycles for 1 second. That is the normal. If it is 150, or if it is 70, or if it is 80, so that will lead to the damage of the equipment. That will causes the some heating of the equipment, nearly of transformer, that you can face the main problem because so transformer is facing main problem because of this harmonics. That will increases the temperature of the harmonics. That will leads to the burning of the some windings into the transformers, or burning of the equipments in our load sites. So you can see this. The very clear picture here. You can see this very clear picture. In 1 second, you want this 1 second time, but you will get this This. So these are the harmonics. Simply, these are the harmonics. I hope you are understanding difference between the harmonics and all other things. Okay. So now see this point. The harmonic order. So 50 and above, you can reduces are negligible in the power system analysis. So because they are not usually damages the power system. So now see this, the power system, we have the series elements as well as the shunt elements. So most of the our power alternate devices are non-linear, that is connected in the shunt. Okay, that is connected in the shunt system. Okay, now see this, some devices we are connected in the series also. So the series devices will helpful some cases to reduces the some resonance into the system. Okay, so here this is a very important point. Most of the cases, the harmonics distortion is produced because of the end users. Our people, our industry are responsible for production of the harmonics. In 1939, on that time, the period, only industries will use the power electronic converters, power electronic based devices in industrial purpose. They are the responsible for production of the harmonics synthesis. But nowadays we can assume you are also responsible for, you are charging a cell phone that will draw the so non-linearities into the system, or that will inject the some non-linear currents into the system. You are the responsible for production of the harmonics into the system. So we are using batteries into the in our houses, that will leads to the production of the transients into the system. So in early days, nothing but 19th century on that time, the industrial people are only using this type of non-linear devices and power electronics. But nowadays, most of the people, so like ourselves are also conscious thing. Okay, non-linearities are harmonics into the system. So now see this harmonics that is produced here. Both we can use the term harmonics. Both voltage and current. Harmonics is nothing but both voltage and current. You remember, harmonics we can consider in both voltage and current. Okay. For example, some example. So because of adjustable speed drive, some induction furnaces, so they are not operating properly. That will leads to one of the reasons for production of the harmonics. So non-linearities, some adjustable speed drives, ASDs, some induction induction furnaces. Okay, some non-linear devices, so all of the devices will cause the production of this harmonics. You can see the some points here, some 3 points we are assuming in these 3 points here in these cases. There are some harmonic disturbances. So for suppose because of the harmonics, if voltages are too great because of the harmonics, for the control to property determining fire angles of the power electronics. The harmonic voltages are too great because of there are some reason for they are not properly control the firing angles of the electronic devices. So that is the voltage case. Now consider the current case. That current is also very more too high because of capacity of some devices in the power system, such as transformers and machines, must be operated lower the rated. Now see this voltages, harmonic voltages are very high in the power system because of, so one thing you should clear. So harmonics are produced because of the non-linear loads, some adjustable speed drive, some induction furnaces, arc furnaces, some power electronic devices are reasons. Now see in how the voltages harmonics are produced, how the current harmonics are produced more in the power system. Now see this, one of the cases, if you are not firing the power electronic devices proper way, that will leads to the increase of the voltage harmonics into the system. Okay, so if you are not connecting a suitable transformer and suitable loads to the power system, that will leads to the harmonic currents into the system. So then on another case for production of the harmonic voltages, so increases because of the some currents produced by the devices. So now see this, voltage and current are interlinked. Remember, if this current is changes, voltage is also changes. The voltage is changes, current is also changes. So these are interlinked by the power. So now see this one. So non-linear loads that appears near to the loads, sources of harmonic current in shunt and injecting harmonics into the power system. This is a very, very important point. Non-linear loads that appears near to the load centers are the sources of harmonic currents in shunt devices, in shunt with the devices. They are injecting currents in shunt, remember, in shunt. They are injecting the current in shunt, okay, to the power system. Okay, now see this a small one. So what is the difference? Now again, once again, see this the difference between the current and voltage distortion in some meaningful way. Now we can. So this is the source, a pure sinusoidal way. We are sending the supply side or source. Now this is the non-linear load. Non-linear load. This is the non-linear load. Again, the symbol for representing non-linear load is like this. So this is the pure sinusoidal. The currents that is drawn by this non-linear is like this. Is like this. You can assume this current. So what will happen here? The amount of impedance, nothing but I into. So what is that total? You can call it as I into some for suppose R plus JX. So total power P is equal to some I into the Z. So nothing but I into the Z, nothing but R plus JX. If this I changes, what will happen? The resistance changes and the same time inductance changes. So that will occur the voltage drop into the system. That will also leads to the voltage regulation into the system. So now see this point. This voltage distortion is the result of distorted current passing through the linear series impedance of the power delivery systems. So this is the linear elements. These are our linear elements. Voltage linear elements RLC. Linear RLC. So whenever this old distorted wave is passing in this linear elements, that will leads to the non-linearities. So here see this, an harmonic currents passing through this through the impedance. Now this impedance Z, so will causes the voltage drop for each harmonic. You see this, you know what, why that one. If the current is changes, obviously the current is changes, obviously. So the impedance is changes. This will leads to the voltage harmonics in the loads. We can assume that there are some assumptions that. So if the load bus distortion in the system stays within the reasonable limits, less than 5%. So in IEEE says that, so in the IEEE standard says that there are some given them some statements is like this: the control over the amount of harmonic current injected into the system in shunt. Remember, in shunt. So to take place the end user applications. Okay, so we can assume this harmonic current that is injected in reasonable limits only to control our voltage distortion is excited by the entire entity having control over the system impedance. Remember this point carefully. So now see this point. I will explain what is this. So because of this harmonic phenomena, to understand that the difference between these causes, voltages and currents are different. The effect that will produced by the harmonic current to the apparatus is different. The effect that will caused by the voltage is voltages harmonics is differently affected by the uh, apparatus. Okay, we can see this once again. You can see this. So this is the pure sinusoidal wave. So this is the currents. Remember, this currents that is injected in this line is like this. So what happened? The remaining equipments, you are connected the remaining equipment. What happened? You can see this remaining equipment. What happened? Remaining equipment. So it will draw the distorted power. Okay, remember. So these are injected some currents into the line is like this. Okay, so now see this one example item at harmonic versus transients. One case harmonic versus transients. So what is the difference between those two, harmonics and transients? What is the difference between those two? Okay, I will explain the I will take the one more slide. I will explain this one. Okay, what is the difference between this two? We see this transients. One thing you should remember, voltage harmonics and the current harmonics, the wave shapes are looking like distorted. Okay, so but the effect that that will caused by the individual equipments are different. Okay, what is the transients? How these transients are produced in the system? Because of lightning. Because of lightning. Then what is the second case? What is the second case? Because of some switching events on and off of capacitors. Because of lightning, this will causes to the impulsive transients. This will leads to the oscillatory transients. So these are exist in the system very few seconds. So an impulse is like this. So at zero instant time, this is it will exist like this. At zero instant time, or positive side or negative side at zero time. The magnitude is rises like this. Magnitude is rises at zero instant time. That we can call it as impulse because of lightning storm. Then what is the another type of transients here? Switching events. So this capacitors Vs, this is Z, this is load. Load side we are using the some capacitors to improve the I mean most of the cases we can capacitors are used in the substations also to improve the power factor. The load side you can use the capacitors to maintain the uninterrupted power. See capacitors. When so one thing you should remember, whenever you want to join the capacitors or connect the capacitors into the system, this capacitor voltage must be synchronized with the or must be equal to the supply voltage. Okay, whenever this capacitors on and off, in that on and off events, that will causes the production of the some amount of voltage distortions. Yes, see this into the system. On and off cases. So what will happen when the capacity is when the capacity is off? What will happen when the capacity is off? When the capacity is off. So now see this. So it will suddenly opposes this sudden change. So on that time, what will happen? So it will zero. So once that capacity is trying to inject some current, the waveform is like this. So on and off cases, on and off, on and off, on and off. That will lead to some transients into the system. But what is the harmonics? Here they produce it in the 50 Hz cycle, 50 Hz. But what is the harmonics? Here, a number of cycles in 1 second. More than 50 cycles in 1 second leads to the harmonics. But in transients are 50 cycles, but we can see the wave shape, the different wave shapes. Here, different wave shape and different magnitudes. Here, the harmonics also different wave shapes and here different magnitudes. But the difference between the all other and harmonics and the number of cycles are different. Okay, now see this harmonic versus transients. You know that these transients will also how these transients are produced because of some switching events. How this transients, how this harmonics is produced because of some non-linearities in into the system. So now see this so harmonic distortion is because of the one of the power. So this transients distortion contain high frequency components also. Remember, this transients distortion is also contain some high frequency components. So now see this transients and harmonics are different. So now see this transient waveform exhibit high frequency only when there is abrupt changes in the power system. So transients, so is also exhibit in the transients. It has the some frequencies also. So now see this, some frequencies are not necessarily harmonics. They are fundamental frequencies in the power system. So some series harmonic definition. So that may occur in the steady state and integer multiple of the frequencies. That's 1 into 50 and 2 into 50 and so on. So now see this some voltage waveforms distortions. Harmonics is present continuously or later several seconds. Now see this one transients are usually dissipated with a few cycles. Remember this point carefully. At few cycles, but transients and the same transients are associated with changing the switching of capacitor banks. But here harmonics are associated with the continuing operation of the load. Now see this difference. A continuing operation, this is the few cycles. So I hope the next class is going to start. Okay, I will end the session today. Thank you for